Hi guys, Brandon again, Auto Advantage. Today we have a very nice vehicle, very well known, 2009 Honda Fit with 123,000 miles, 1.8 liter engine, 33 miles per gallon on the highway, 29 around town. Perfect car for this day and age with the gas prices where they are. I'm going to take you for a walk around. As you can see, the vehicle has 123,000 miles. It has paddle shifters. It also has on the steering wheel cruise control features, power mirrors, power door locks, and power windows. Let's take a look. It's in a very good looking black color. A lot of people like black cars. I do myself. As you can see, has a lot of eyeball. It is a sport model, as you can be able to tell from the sport fin in the rear. Here's the engine, pretty well known engine. It's their iVTEC engine. Very well maintained. Comes with a complimentary warranty, which we put on all of our vehicles. Just detailed, nice and shiny. Perfect for the first car, for your child. Also perfect for adults as well. Let me go around here, unlock the doors. Honda Fit, pretty good reputation on this vehicle. Let me show you about the room though that it has, because it does have some space considering it looks like a smaller car. You see this back here, looking good. Handle release, seat set right down in there. You can still go to Home Depot, you can still go to Costco. It can be a grocery getter. Again here, very easy. Just flip, release the cargo cover like this. Both seats go all the way down. You just need to put the passenger seat up just a bit, which you can do like this. There you go. You got some good space in the back for storage, bringing kids to soccer, going to Home Depot. Tires in good condition all around. Nice car. And as I mentioned, all the vehicles at Auto Advantage come with a complimentary warranty. Give us a call, 760-280-7648. You can text that number as well. We do have financing available. We do take trade-ins. We take outside lenders as well. And all of our vehicles come with a complimentary warranty. Take a look at our website. There's a free Carfax, www.ibuycleancars.com. You'll see about 25 pictures, which I just took of this vehicle inside and out. Free Carfax. Look forward to meeting with you. Again, this is Brandon from Auto Advantage, 760-280-7648. We're located at 1150 West Mission Avenue, Escondido, California, 92025. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.